It's Wednesday, November 26th. In the headlines, Cabinet has approved a $150 million loan to the Jamaica Public Service Company. The Planning Institute of Jamaica says economic recovery will take at least a year to recover from the impact of Hurricane Melissa. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness announces multi-million-dollar national cleanup program. In business news, tourism workers to get help to rebuild after Hurricane Melissa. Regionally, Barbados is one step closer to adopting its new constitution. And in sports, Jamaica mines bobsleigh gold at North American Cup in Canada. This is the news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.